I'm Jane Cornelius and I'm the Sustainable Travel Officer at Swansea University. The origins of this initiative, they began years ago really. Singleton campus and Bay campus are 6 miles apart, so we had to link the both campuses and we had to think, how can we stop people wanting to just jump in the car and take the easy option? So at that time we really heavily invested in active travel and we sort of engaged with the wider student and staff audience on what they wanted. Showers and really good cycle facilities, guided rides, all those sort of things were all part of that. So we've got a cycle hire scheme as well and that has just grown year on year. We offer free lights and free locks to all our students, and what we do now is we run bike register events where we register people's bikes. So if that bike is ever stolen and it's picked up, we can get that bike back to that person. If we want a sustainable and healthy future for our youngsters, getting more and more people actively travelling and using sustainable travel, then that will have a massive effect.